All right, Mathemaniacs, this is Mrs. Long, and this is number 3 on your 3.1 practice problems. It's like number 3 on your quiz. Here we're going to start talking about how much mortgage payment will someone make per month. Here we have Patty, who's buying a home for $330,000. She's making a 14% down payment and financing the rest with a 30-year loan at 5.5% interest. What will her monthly mortgage payment be? Well, to find out her monthly mortgage payment, what do I need to know first? I'm going to need to know how much she borrows, right? So let's find out how much she borrowed. I know that the house cost $330,000. Okay, how much did she borrow? Let's do that. How much? Well, let's do how much did she put down? How much did she put down? That's like how much is her down payment? Okay, so that's going to be my first step. How much did she put down? We're going to take 330,000 and I'm going to multiply that times 14%. I'm going to change 14% into the decimal, 0.14. And that'll tell me how much her down payment was. So I'm going to put in my calculator, 330,000 times 0.14. And I find that she had saved up $46,200 to put down on her house. So now I can find the loan amount, or in other words, how much she borrowed. So let's find the loan amount. I'm just going to take the price of the house, which was $330,000, and I'm going to subtract her down payment, which is $46,200, because we know she only needs a loan for the part she's not paying. So I'm going to put in 330,000 times, oh no, I'm not. I'm going to put in 330,000 minus 46,200. Sorry, my brain was still stuck on the last step. So her loan amount, or the amount she borrowed, is $283,800. Now, you may recall that the next step is to find out how many thousands did she borrow. If we look at the table, it says we want to know how many thousands she borrowed. And to do that, I'm going to take the decimal that's here at the end and I'm going to move it 3 places, or just divide by 1,000. So I'm going to go ba-dink, ba-dink, ba-dink. So she borrowed 283.8 thousands. And now we can use the table to find out how much mortgage she pays per thousand. So we're going to come over here to the table, and it says she got a 30-year loan. So we know we're going to look at the 30-year column over here. And there's 5.5% interest. 5.5 is going to be this row. So we look at where those intersect, which is here at 5.678. So we know that she pays $5.678 per month per thousand. So that's going to be her payment per thousand, and I got that from the chart, payment per thousand. So to find out how much she pays each month, I'm going to multiply those two numbers together. So again, I've got 283.8 times 5.678, and I find that her mortgage payment is approximately 1611.4164. Wait a minute, that doesn't look like dollars. I'm going to have to round that. So let's round it. 1611 point. All right, I want to round to this decimal place. So I'm going to look at this number. And the number after it is 5 or larger, so I'm going to round up. So I'm going to make it $1,611.42, which is right here. All right, good job. Go try it on your own.